Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick Regal GS, stock number Z9694XX. Only 28,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Regal is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This GS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, you can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, spacious glove box, materials, overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 259 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.